Teacher's Bell. We're learning rings a bell.
Good day, everyone! Welcome to Science 3 Revised K-12 Curriculum, Quarter 2, Week 5, Day 2. Characteristics of living things. Forms of fruits, stems, and leaves of plants. Learning objective. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to 1. Identify the different forms or shapes of fruits, stems, and leaves of plants. 2. Identify the role of these plant parts for the survival of plants. Review. What are the basic parts of a plant? Which part makes food for the plant? Which part holds the plant to the ground? Activating prior knowledge. What do you see in the picture? Yes, this is a carrot, cactus, and a leaf of guava. What plant parts are these? So the carrot is correct, it's a root. The second is this is a stem. And of course, this is a leaf, a guava leaf. How do roots help the plants? Yes, roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and hold the plant in place. How do stems help the plant? Yes, stems support the leaves, flowers, and fruits and carry water and food. How do leaves help the plant? Yes, leaves make food for the plant. Do all plants have the same shape of fruits, stems, and leaves? Okay, let's see. Lesson language. Unlock difficulties in understanding the following terms. Forms of fruits are the different shapes or kinds of fruits that plants have. They could be 1. Taproot. 2. Fibrous root. Our first word for the form of fruit is taproot. Taproot. T-A-P-R-O-O-T. Taproot. This is one big main root that goes deep into the soil. Its role is to store food and holds the plant firmly. Our second form of fruit is fibrous. Fibrous. F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Fibrous. Many thin roots that spread out near the surface of the soil. Its role is to quickly absorb water and prevent soil from being washed away. These are the two forms of roots. This is a taproot. Examples are carrot and radish. And this is a fibrous root. Examples are grass and rice. For the stem, forms of stem are the different shapes or types of stems that plants have. Stems can be 1. Woody stem. 2. Herbaceous stem. 3. Modified stem. First form of stem is woody. Woody. W-O-O-D-Y. Woody. It is hard and strong, usually found in trees. Example is a mango tree. Rule: it gives support so the plant can grow tall. Our second form of stem is herbaceous. 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 It is soft and green, found in small plants. A good example is a tomato. Its role, it carries water and food and helps small plants stand. Our third form of stem is modified stem. Modified. M-O-D-I-F-I-E-D. Modified. This is thick and special stem that stores food or water. The best example is cactus. Its role, it helps the plant survive in dry places. Form of stem. This is woody. Example is the mango. Herbaceous. Modified cactus. Form of leaf are the different shapes of leaves that plants have. Leaves can be broad leaf, needle-like leaf, serrated leaf. First form of leaf is broad. Broad, B-R-O-A-D, broad. It is wide and flat. Example is a mango leaf. Role, it catches lots of sunlight to make food. Next is needle-like. Needle-like. N-E-E-D-L-E-L-I-K-E. Needle-like. This is thin and narrow. Example is a pine. Its role is to save water, good for dry or cold places. Is serrated. Serrated. Has edges like a saw or teeth. Its role is to help the leaf capture sunlight and make food. Form of leaves. This is broad, mango leaf, needle-like, fine leaf, and serrated, rose leaf. For our discussion, are you ready? Okay, what kind of fruit does carrot have? Yes, it is taproot. Next is, what kind of roots does grass have? The answer is fibrous roots. 4. What kind of stem does a mango tree have? Okay, it is woody stem. 5. What kind of stem does a tomato have? Herbaceous stem. 6. What kind of stem does a cactus have? Yes, it is modified stem. 7. What kind of leaf does a mango tree have? It is broad leaf. What kind of leaf does a pine tree have? It is needle-like leaf. 9. What kind of leaf does a guava or rose have? It is serrated leaf. For summary table, we have the carrot. The part observed is the root. The form is, it is a taproot. Role for survival, stores food. Our next plant is grass. The part observed is root. The form, fibrous root. It holds soil and absorbs water. For the mango, the part observed is the stem. The form is woody. It supports the tree. For tomato, the part observed is the stem. The form is herbaceous. It is soft, green support. For cactus, the part observed is the stem. The form, it is modified. It stores water. Mango, the part observed is the leaf. The form, it is broad. It collects sunlight that makes food. Pine, the part observed is the leaf. Its form, needle-like. Generalization. Let's chant this together. Forms of roots, stems, and leaves. Roots, stems, leaves. They're not the same. Different forms, they have a name. Each has a role to help survive. That's how plants can grow and thrive. In every place, near or far, forms help plants the way they are. Let's chant it again. Forms of roots, stems, and leaves. Roots, stems, leaves. They're not the same. Different forms, they have a name. Each has a role to help survive. That's how plants can grow and thrive. In every place, near or far, forms help plants the way they are. Evaluation. Get your notebooks, multiple choice. Direction. Write the letter of the correct answer. 1. Which root has one big main root that goes deep into the soil? A. Taproot. B. Fibrous root. 2. Which root has many thin roots spreading out near the surface? A. Taproot. B. Fibrous root. 3. Carrots and radishes have which form of root? A. Fibrous root. B. Taproot. 4. Which stem is hard and strong like the trunk of a mango tree? A. Woody stem. B. Herbaceous stem. C. Modified stem. 5. Tomato has a soft and green stem. What form of stem it is? A. Woody stem. Herbaceous stem. C. Modified stem. 6. A cactus has a thick stem that stores water. What form of stem is it? A. Woody stem. Herbaceous stem. C. Modified stem. 7. Which leaf is wide and flat like a mango leaf? A. Broadleaf. B. Needle-like leaf. C. Serrated leaf. 8. Pine trees have thin, narrow leaves. What form of leaf is this? A. Broadleaf. B. Needle-like leaf. C. Serrated leaf. 9. Rose leaves also have edges like small teeth. What form of leaf is this? A. Broadleaf. B. Needle-like leaf. C. Serrated leaf. 10. Which form of leaf collects a lot of sunlight for making food? A. Broadleaf. B. Needle-like leaf. C. Serrated leaf. Evaluation answers. Are you ready to see the answers? Okay. 1. Which root has one big main root that goes deep into the soil? The answer is A. Taproot. 2. Which root has many thin roots spreading out near the surface? The answer is B. Fibrous root. 3. Carrots and radishes have which form of root? The answer is B. Taproot. 4. Which stem is hard and strong like the trunk of a mango tree? The answer is A. Woody stem. 5. tomato has a soft and green stem. What form of stem is it? The answer is B. Herbaceous stem. 6. A cactus has a thick stem that stores water. What form of stem is this? The answer is C. Modified stem. 7. Which leaf is wide and flat like a mango leaf? The answer is A. Broadleaf. 8. Pine trees have thin, narrow leaves. What form of leaf is this? The answer is B. Needle-like leaf. 9. Rose leaves also have edges like small teeth. What form of leaf is this? The answer is C. Serrated leaf. 10. Which form of leaf collects a lot of sunlight for making food? The answer is A. Broadleaf. Good job, kids! Great job!
Teacher's bell. Where learning rings a bell.